Hello and welcome to Exploding Colors Face Paint and Makeup Tutorial. Now for this look I am using a lot of color explosions. You can see here on my little color grid which I have put together. I will be using a lot of these colors exploding out of the mouth, running down the chin and the neck and onto the chest. I will be using almost all of these colors here. My tag body art, which is great for fine lines. And then I will be using these colors here, the yellow for the base color of the face for yellow, and then white on the lips, and then white for any highlights I decide to choose. And then green for the green dots, red for the red dots, orange for the orange dots, and blue for the blue dots. Now, coming out of the lip and exploding down the chin, I will be using these makeup pencils, which are a lot of colors, and I have tried to match these colors here to the same colors here. I am matching here as well, matching all those colors. Also, I am using a bald head latex wig, but this time I have used some metallic spray paint, and I have already spray painted a bald head latex wig here. And I will be adhering it to my face using liquid latex. And again, I use Q-tips as an applicator for latex because latex does not come out of your brushes and it does not come out of material. Now also, I have made a head piece to go on my head, which is the exploding colors here that are the same in this grid. Now, let's begin this transformation. Exploding Colors Face Paint Makeup Tutorial, Take 1.
My first layer of makeup is applied. I'm going to allow this to dry, add a second layer, and I will be finished in a swipe. This completes the application of my face painting makeup tutorial. It's now time to compare my face to my art drawing. It's now time to show you my complete and finished look. First, let's take a peek of behind the scenes of the construction for this look. I do hope you enjoyed my Exploding Colors face paint makeup tutorial. And remember to check out all my other makeup tutorials. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click that little bell icon to receive a notification of my next makeup tutorial. And always, thanks for watching.